Sometimes what happens is we have to withdraw a house. So you go over and you withdraw the listing. You could even do so just using the quick edit links. And you're ready to re-enter it, but you don't want to activate your withdrawn listing. You would simply come over here, use the copy button, and guess what? Not only is it going to copy everything that you put into that listing, but it is going to ask you if you want to even copy your images. So you will have the ability now to, as long as you have and verify that you have the necessary legal rights to that imagery, you'll be able to copy those and not have to worry about going back, finding them, and then re-uploading them. So lots of good stuff. If you are continuing through with the copy, and for example, something is now different, perhaps now there is no more composite roof, you could click X and then it will not copy with that original listings info. Once you go up here to the top and click continue, you will be presented with entering all of the new information you did not accept here. So we're not going to save that. I just wanted to show you how the copy process works.